For this tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to use Kurzweil if you have a PC. Before you start this process, it is important that you have registered with the Access Center, turned in appropriate documentation, met with an advisor, and requested and have been approved for the specific accommodation. To start, open your Kurzweil software. In order to open a chapter from one of your books once you have downloaded them, you will click on the drop-down folder titled File, and then click Open. Then you will just locate the folder where you've saved your digital textbooks or articles and select the textbook and the chapter you would like to read. Once you open a chapter, you will see a print range window that pops up. If you would like the entire chapter to be loaded, just select OK. To start reading, all you need to do is click where you would like to start reading and then click on the center green play button that is located at the top of your screen. Once you click on this button, then Kurzweil will start reading. To pause, just click the play button again. To reread what was just being read, just click the button to the left. If you would like to skip what is being read and move forward, just click the button to the right. To change the reading rate and voice, click on the drop-down menu called Audio Options located on the right-hand side of the screen. You can increase or decrease the reading rate and find what sounds right for you. Further down in this drop-down menu, you can change the voice of what is being read. Click in the green field under the reading rate and you will see different names of the voices where you can select the one that you like. You can also change the reading unit that will be highlighted in yellow as you are reading. Textbooks are notorious for having long paragraphs, so you may want to select the reading unit to sentence because this will make navigation easier. With Kurzweil, you can also highlight the text as if it were a physical textbook, and you will have many colors to choose from. You will find this function on the left-hand panel, as well as many other helpful tools. You can select different colors to highlight, and then also erase the highlights by selecting the eraser. To extract highlights, you need to go to the top left side of the screen and select the drop-down menu File, select Extract, and use your cursor to select Extract Notes and Highlights. When you extract the highlights, you can choose how you want to organize the highlights because it will be putting the information into an outline format. As you can see, I did not organize my highlights so they would not make sense in this format. By changing the indents, you can help organize your information like it's being used in a bullet format. When you extract the highlights of a chapter, you can also print out your highlights as notes or save the document so that you can refer to it later. You could also copy and paste to a Word document so that you would be able to edit your highlights more easily. Resaving your chapter can be very helpful because it will make opening the chapter faster the next time. And by saving, you will retain all your highlights as long as you're using the .kes format. You can save by clicking on the File drop-down folder and selecting Save As. This gives you the flexibility to save the chapter exactly where you want it. Finally, you can also create an audio file so that you can listen to your chapters at any time. All you have to do is go to File, select Audio File, and click Create Audio File. You will then have the opportunity to save it where you like. Press OK, and you have created the audio file. Finally, remember you can save the chapters with or without the highlights, but it is important either way to save it where you will be able to remember where it is at later, so you can easily access all of your chapters. If you have any questions or problems using Kurzweil, feel free to stop into the Access Center or set up an appointment with your advisor. Thank you for watching.